If you love that burst of juicy blueberries with the zing of fresh lemon, you're going to love these muffins. They are soft, fluffy, and topped with a tangy lemon glaze. For me, lemon and blueberries always taste like sunshine in a bite, and that's exactly what we are baking today. Here are the ingredients you will need for these muffins. You can also find the full recipe link in the description box below, along with tips to help you get that soft, fluffy, bakery-style domes we all love. Before we start, let's preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. The batter comes together really quickly, so it's best to have the oven ready to go. To keep the blueberries evenly distributed in the batter, toss them with a little flour first. Then mix the remaining flour with baking powder and salt. Next, zest and juice the lemon. Add the zest to the sugar and rub it in for about a minute or two. This lets the sugar soak up all those fragrant lemon oils and really boost the flavor. Now it's time to cream the butter and the lemon-infused sugar. Beat them on medium speed until it turns pale and fluffy. That's when you know it's ready. Scrape the bowl if needed. Add the egg and beat until combined. You might notice the batter looks a bit curdled. Don't worry, once we add the dry ingredients, it will come together nicely. Next, add the lemon juice and lemon extract for that ultimate lemon flavor and gives everything a quick mix. Now add the dry ingredients mixture and milk alternately, starting and ending with the dry mix. Mix each addition just until combined. This way, everything blends evenly without overmixing the batter. Finally, fold in the flour-coated blueberries. Since I'm using frozen ones, you will notice the batter thickens up a bit once they are added, but that's completely fine. It won't affect the texture of the muffins once they are baked. Our muffin batter is done. It's easy and quick, isn't it? Line the muffin pan with these Tulip muffin cases. They are not only adorable, but they also help the muffins rise taller, giving you that bakery-style domes we all love. I like to use an ice cream scoop to portion the batter into each muffin case. It makes the process cleaner and it helps me keep the amount of batter in each case consistent. This way the muffins bake evenly and all turn out nice and beautiful. Once all the cases are filled, bake them in the preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for the first 5 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and continue baking for another 13 to 15 minutes, or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Oh wow, they smell absolutely incredible. Golden tops, buttery, and so lemony. Once they are cool enough to handle, transfer the muffins to a wire rack. This prevents steam from collecting underneath and keeps the bottoms from getting soggy. Honestly, I would happy to serve them just as they are, but to make them even more tempting, let's make the lemon glaze. Making the glaze is really simple, but the key is paying attention to the consistency. We don't want it too thin, we want it to stay nicely on top of the muffins instead of soaking in. To get it just right, add the lemon juice a little at a time, mixing well after each addition. Keep adding tiny amounts until you get a thick but still pourable consistency. Once your icing is ready, you can either use a piping bag, like I'm doing here, to drizzle it over the muffins, or simply use a spoon. Both work just as well. Look at this, a perfectly baked lemon blueberry muffin, just like you would easily find in a gourmet coffee shop. It smells amazing, and you can see how soft and fluffy it is with the blueberries perfectly distributed. It's buttery, lemony, and honestly light as a cloud. I'm really happy with how they came out, so soft and full of blueberry goodness. Now you know how to make these muffins. Check out the full recipe on my site. The link is in the description box below, along with all my tips to help you bake with confidence. They are easy to make and frozen blueberries work perfectly. Want more muffin recipes? I've got you covered. Click the screen to watch now. See you there and happy baking!